Today, we've got a super helpful tutorial for all you Windows 10 users out there. Ever faced a situation where you wanted to project your screen to another PC, but found the projecting to this PC feature mysteriously disabled? This feature in Windows 10 allows you to wirelessly connect your computer to another monitor or device. It's an excellent tool for presentations, streaming, or just expanding your workspace. We're going to walk you through how to fix this issue in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started. Before we start, ensure you're connected to a stable and uninterrupted internet connection, as we'll need to download some features. Click on the Start button on your desktop and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System. Next, choose Projecting to this PC. If you find the options here are grayed out, that means the feature is disabled. To fix this, we need to install the wireless display feature. Click here where it says Optional Features, or if you don't see it here, then on the left side menu, find it and select it. Here, click on Add a Feature. In the search box, type Wireless, and in the results, locate Wireless Display. Check this box next to Wireless Display, then click on the Install button. Wait for Windows to download and install the app. Once installed, select Projecting to this PC, and voila! You'll see that the previously grayed out options are now available. Now, you can configure the settings as per your requirement and start using the feature. And that's how you enable the Projecting to this PC feature on Windows 10. Easy, right? If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can hit that thanks button. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, and I see you all.